Removes sludge, cleans engine deposits, improves performance, enhances fuel efficiency, extends engine life, and ensures smoother, quieter operation overall reliability. My today's video is about top 5 best engine flush additives that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Star Bright Marine Engine Flush Kit. Star Bright Solve-Off is a powerful marine maintenance solution designed to eliminate and prevent damaging salt buildup on boats, engines, and outdoor equipment. Formulated for versatility, it works effectively on fiberglass, metal, plastic, and painted surfaces, making it ideal for complete marine and vehicle care. The easy hose-connected applicator simplifies flushing marine engines and cleaning hulls, ensuring salt-free cooling systems that support longer engine life and consistent performance. Its protective coating helps repel future salt deposits, reducing corrosion and ongoing maintenance efforts. Suitable for boats, trailers, cars, and gear like rods and diving equipment, it delivers multi-surface cleaning convenience in one product. Available in multiple sizes, it adapts to both small and large cleaning needs. Overall, Star Bright offers a reliable, user-friendly, and highly effective salt protection system for anyone operating in coastal or marine environments. It is an excellent choice for boat owners seeking durability, reduced maintenance costs, and long-term protection in harsh saltwater conditions. Now our second product is Zato Engine Oil System Cleaner. Zato Engine Cleaner and Revitalizant formula is designed for deep internal engine maintenance, targeting sludge, carbon deposits, and oil system contamination that can reduce efficiency over time. By breaking down built-up residue, it helps restore smoother oil circulation and improves overall engine responsiveness and fuel efficiency. Its versatile formulation is compatible with all engine types, including modern turbocharged and supercharged systems, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. A key advantage is its long-lasting protective effect. The included Revitalizant technology forms a durable protective layer on metal surfaces, helping reduce wear and extend engine life even after treatment. It is user-friendly, requiring only addition to engine oil before an oil change, eliminating complex procedures. Backed by over 2 decades of innovation, Zato has built a strong reputation for reliable engine care solutions trusted by mechanics and drivers worldwide. It is an effective choice for restoring engine health and maintaining long-term performance. Our third product is CycleMax 3-Pack Compatible. CycleMax Pack is a premium maintenance solution for Yamaha power trim and tilt systems, offering 3 quarts of ACC, PWRTR, MF, 32 fluid plus a disposable funnel for easy application. Designed specifically for marine hydraulic systems, it ensures smooth, responsive, and quiet operation while protecting critical components from wear and corrosion. The non-foaming, high-performance formula maintains stability under extreme heat and pressure, which is essential for demanding boating conditions. This helps prevent cavitation, reduces mechanical stress, and extends the life of the trim and steering system. Its ready-to-use packaging adds convenience, making fluid replacement simple even for DIY users. By maintaining optimal hydraulic performance, it enhances control, safety, and overall boating efficiency. Overall, this kit from Yamaha Motor delivers dependable quality and protection for marine enthusiasts who want long-term reliability and hassle-free maintenance. An excellent choice for boat owners seeking smoother steering response and improved system longevity in harsh marine environments. Now number 4. Engine Flush Deep Clean and Protect. This engine cleaning additive is designed to deliver a thorough internal refresh by targeting sludge, varnish, and long-term deposit buildup inside the oil system. By dissolving contaminants that restrict oil flow, it helps restore smoother lubrication and more stable engine operation, especially in older or heavily used engines. Beyond cleaning, the formula also focuses on protection. It helps free sticky valves and lifters while leaving behind a light protective barrier that supports reduced wear and improved internal durability. This dual action makes it useful not only for immediate cleaning, but also for maintaining engine health over time. Its universal compatibility is a major advantage, as it works with all engine types and is fully safe with commercially available engine oils, making it highly convenient for most vehicle owners. Performance benefits include improved oil circulation, reduced internal friction, and more efficient power delivery. Application is simple. Just add it before an oil change, making it an easy, tool-free maintenance step for better engine longevity and responsiveness. And our last choice is Energy Release P023 Motor Oil Additive. This aerosol lubricant is designed for precise and efficient application. Delivered in a pressurized spray, that ensures even coverage on gears, chains, and other exposed mechanical components. The controlled spray helps reach tight areas easily, making maintenance cleaner and more effective compared to traditional grease or oil application methods. Its formulation focuses on preventing sludge, grime, and corrosive deposits from building up over time, helping maintain smooth mechanical operation and reducing long-term wear. By forming a durable lubricating film between metal surfaces, it significantly reduces friction, which supports extended component lifespan and more efficient movement. A key strength is its moisture-resistant, hydrophobic barrier that repels water and protects against rust, even in wet, dusty, or harsh working environments. This makes it highly reliable for outdoor and heavy-duty use. Suitable for motorcycles, bicycles, ATVs, industrial gear systems, and vehicle chassis parts. This versatile solution offers strong all-round protection and consistent performance across multiple applications. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.